Mirzapur is a city in the heart of North India. It is situated on the bank of river Ganges. The Mughals cut a road through Vindhya mountains to connect their northern capital with the rich lands of the Deccan. It became known as the Great Deccan Road and had spurred the development of the road and river town of Mirzapur. The main business in Mirzapur is of carpet making and metal pots. The Mughals introduced the concept of hand-weaved carpets in the 16th century. Agra and Lahore were the hot spots where these carpets were produced and then exported worldwide. The carpet making was introduced in Mirzapur in the beginning of 20th century, when British introduced weaving in this area and taught the local weavers the art of weaving.
This industry has contributed a good amount of foreign exchange to the economy. But now, this industry is facing a stiff competition from both external as well as internal sources. Internally, they are facing competition from first-generation entrepreneurs who more act as traders rather than manufacturers. They sell their carpets at prices equal to their cost. Their only profit margin is the subsidy that is provided by the Government of India. Externally, this industry is facing competition from China, Belgium, and other carpet-producing nations who are producing carpets at much cheaper rates. Due to their good supply chain, they are able to sell carpets in the market at much better prices.
Most of the weavers in this region are under high debt, as they are even not able to fulfill their basic needs from the given wages. Many families who were in carpet weaving from generations no longer want to continue in this profession, as either some of them are migrating to big cities for better opportunities or they are switching to other professions within their villages like farming, construction, etc. The young generation find this job very tedious and also the return is not very attractive, so they prefer to look for other professions rather than entering into this profession of carpet weaving. On the other hand, this industry had a major impact on the livelihood of the local people. The main impact that this industry poses on the local people is the literacy rate. The literacy among the weavers is very low, as most of them can count only up to 20, because they generally divide warp in case of weaving in combination of 20s. They don't know how to read or write. They know only that which is necessary for their work. The main reason behind this illiteracy is their early entry into their profession at the age of 14 to 15. At that time, it was the good means of earning and they left schools and joined this profession. The carpet weaving was known to be the main source of profession in Mirzapur. But now, the trend is changing at a rapid rate. People don't find any interest in entering or sticking to this profession. The exporters are finding it difficult to get weavers locally, and they started outsourcing this weaving process to other parts of Uttar Pradesh like Shahjahanpur.
The root cause analysis of this problem was done. I came across with certain interesting facts. One of the facts is abolition of child labor, as there were children who did most of the weaving, but after this act was passed, there were fewer weavers than before.
Another reason is the good opportunities in other areas. Earlier, the people from other states migrated to this place in search of jobs and entered in this profession. But now they find much better opportunities in Surat, Mumbai and New Delhi in various industries including textile, cement, construction. Even Rashtriya Rozgar Yojana by Government of India provides much better employment opportunities with good wages than weaving.
In this phase of transforming India, we are leaving behind those who helped India in its difficult times. There are many more such industries that are on the brink of extinction. It was my small effort to bring into kind notice about this carpet industry in Mirzapur. So the demand of the time is to uplift these cottage industries again and those people whose livelihood depends on these industries.